Hello YouTube and welcome to my first ever YouTube video where I'm going to be unboxing the Corsair K70 MK.2 Keyboard. I bought this to replace my Omen sequencer keyboard, which, while a good keyboard, I missed the home button as it's replaced with a Omen button, and the keys were quite loud. This was a problem as it bothered my partner who I share an office with. I've been using this keyboard for just over a year now since recording the initial footage for this video, and I am thoroughly enjoying it. It is an excellent keyboard. As you can see, it has two USB points here and here, and it has a USB pass-through point on the back here. It has media control buttons, as you can see here, and includes a volume wheel. This was a feature I also really liked from my Omen sequencer, and I am glad to see it return on my new Corsair. It has adjustable feet on the back, like so, here and here. It comes with a wrist rest that connects at the bottom, like I would imagine so. It also comes with gaming keys and a tool for removing and swapping the keys. As of yet, I have not changed the keys over to the gaming keys, but that more speaks for my abilities rather than any issues with the keyboard. It's very nice quiet keys as well. So I would highly recommend everyone who's got a gaming setup buy this keyboard. Thanks for watching.